How do you text on the Apple Watch? Let me show you all that you really need to know about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, on the Apple Watch, we have the Messages app, and that is the primary way of texting with other people. And it works very similarly to the iPhone Messages app, but the huge difference, of course, is that the screen is much smaller on the watch, right? So some things work a bit different. You get inside of the application, you can start a new message, choose a content and create the content, or open an existing thread and tap on the text field to start typing. The Apple Watch, however, has a few input methods for the text. A lot of people like to use the keyboard, but we also have the scribble, where you literally scribble the text and it should be recognized properly, or we also have the dictation. So keep in mind that some languages may not support the keyboard. So if you don't have that option, make sure to change the language of the keyboard on your iPhone, like add a different language there and, just add English, for example, and that one has keyboard most definitely. So that is something that you can do. Of course, you can tap on the plus button next to the text field and also utilize the effects and share some different things other than plain text. So iMessage works well even on the Apple Watch. You should also note that you can go to the Watch application on the iPhone, which is the settings for the Apple Watch, and go to the messages right here, where you have the ability to set up the default replies. So they're smart replies, which you can enable. The point is that you don't have to type some things manually, but you have some prepared options. So if somebody sends you some question, you're going to see that you can reply with yes, no, okay, or all of these random options, or you can even create a custom one, right? So you can type in your custom reply, which you want to use all the time. And the point is that you can just click it and you don't have to type the whole thing on the small screen of the Apple Watch. So that is all that I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you actually plan on using the texting feature on the Apple Watch. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.